I will talk about how can you make money on your MoneyLion app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on this sign down here, just click on it. So when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you found here reverse, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So to here to make money or earn money, just click here on share and earn here. Then it's going to show for your list like this, and there can you share it with your friends or with stories and with another apps. So then if anyone enter with your name here, you earn on your app. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.